You know, I talk to people about real estate every single day, and I get asked thousands of questions, most of them routine. Some of them are a little bit crazy. I had a woman one time ask me if she could use her pet as a cosigner on her loan. True story, right? And it isn't as crazy as it sounds. She actually had a pet dog that did all these crazy tricks, and she started a YouTube channel and started making lots of money. But because of the way she'd set up the entity was actually in the pet's name, which I'm not gonna get into. Point is, she asked me a crazy question. But you know what the most common question should be that's almost never asked? What is the actual process of buying a house? How do I find a good real estate agent? Do I need a real estate agent? What is escrow? How do I find a good loan? What are good interest rates? Do I need a notary? What is a notary? How is it recorded in the county? Like, what people more often do is they will get into the process of buying a house, and then they'll realize all these questions are unasked. And they're sitting there in front of this massive stack of papers about to sign away hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they don't know what's going on. They don't even know what the words mean. So I know that you guys typically don't watch any more than about 2 minutes of a video, so we're gonna cut this one short. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create probably about a 5 or 6 part video series breaking down every part of how to find and buy a house so that you have all of these questions answered and you're prepared when you're ready to do it. Okay? All right, have a great weekend, guys. See you later.